Today, let's talk about Wi-Fi extender. I bought this from Xiaomi. It's called Xiaomi Wi-Fi Range Extender Pro. And it costs almost 400 pesos, which is about $20 or $10, I mean. So let's open the box. So what comes with the box is the receipt. This is the receipt. The receipt here is Mi Wi-Fi Range Extender Pro Quantity 1, 348, including shipment. So this came from China. And nothing else in the box. So the box contains this. So this is an extender or repeater to enhance or boost the Wi-Fi signal. Now let's open. So what comes in the box is the manual, so warranty card, and I think it might be the manual, yeah, manual. So warranty card and the manual at the top, and the repeater itself, and also what's in here, separated by another box, and nothing else. So basically, it's a really small one. So we'll open this. This is the actual product, the repeater. So it's a very small one. Box type, maybe about 2 to 2.5 inches, square shape. Yeah. And the antenna, and just a plug. Interesting. I'll try plugging the. I'll try to plug this one to see how if it works or not. This is an extension cord, and I'll just try to plug it on the extension cord. There's lights here. There's a light here. There's a blinking light. See, there's a blinking light to signify that it has been powered on. But as far as the reception of this, I would not know right now. Couldn't test it. So I'll have to try to connect to the Wi-Fi to go to like a certain dead spots to see if the Wi-Fi would get a better signal on that dead spot. But if it do, then if it really works, then this gadget is pretty it's pretty shocking actually. It's a very small item, and if it's a plug and play item, then so much better. So, with that said, yeah, so this is the extension cord, and that's how big the item is, so you could see it for yourself. So the extension cord is even bigger than the extender itself or repeater itself. So hopefully this product works well. It's Xiaomi, so it shouldn't be a problem, I think. So I got this from the official Xiaomi store. So it's from official Xiaomi store. From the Zada, sold by I'm not sure if you could read it on the box, but it's from official Xiaomi store. I ordered this on June 6th and it arrived today, June 10th or 11th. Yep. So with that, thank you for watching. Bye.